Hello, hi, this is Alvin Ng, and welcome to the TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. This is the weekly commentary, and we are here to talk about currency pairs as well as goals. Just to let you know, there are two parts to this video. In part one, I talk about majors and minors, and in part two, I talk about the crosses. And for some of you who wants to learn more about trading psychology, make sure to check out our playlist and some of our other videos on learning how to trade the forex market. Okay, so with that, very quickly in front of me, I have the euro dollar. Euro dollar has been moving on the bigger picture. It's been moving downwards, and it's now on track to making a new high, which is around 1.255 level. Price broke out of the channel a few months ago, and it's slowly just crawling upwards. If you look at what I have in here, it is forming a new upward channel, and in the last few weeks, it's just slowly but surely crawling upwards. So let me tidy up my chart. A few of these are not valid anymore. What we are looking at is price is moving higher. It last bounced last week on the 1.2 level very nicely, bounced off, and it's just really, because it's such a slow movement, it's really testing every single level that it can. Nonetheless, I am expecting price to retest this purple color here at 1.235, which is my next target. When would it get there? Not too sure, but definitely moving in that direction. And of course, like I said, I expect it to hit the 1.225 level, right? So this is euro dollar moving higher, very nicely, going slowly crawling upwards. Next, I've got cable or pound dollar. Pound dollar is also moving in the same direction. Uh, Last week I was expecting it to be moving in the range, but I think it is kind of moving upwards now. We did a retest here, very nice retest, and it is gonna, looks like it's moving higher to I think most of the dollar pairs are moving in this direction, but pound is in its own little channel brightly. So let me clean this up. Yeah, so my expectation is with that price should go higher. First target is 1.425. And this target is quite important because it is retesting a rather solid horizontal level, right? So from there, you would have made its new high. Very, very nice currency pair to trade. Okay. Moving from cable, we've got Aussie, the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is also crawling in the cable, sorry, in the channel, but it's doing its own thing. Next target is 0.81. Same thing. So all the, like I said, pick your pair. Look which one you resonate the most, and take one or two of them only, because they're all strong correlation with the US dollar. Okay. On the opposite end, we've got yen. Now yen is kind of doing a slightly different dance move. It is also bursting out of a long-term consolidation pattern. However, price hasn't really broken off. It broke out and retested this level very nicely. And I foresee prices going higher again. So yen is going higher too, despite dollar weakness. Next, we've got CAD. CAD is on a free fall, well, sort of. Looking at the price action, it is now testing the 1.21 support level, which has been pretty solid. So I would say this is probably a nice little zone instead of a level. So do take note of that. Nonetheless, in this range, would price go back upwards or not? Too early to tell. I look forward to see what's happening. So, but those of you who have taken CAD short, then well done you. Last but not least, we've got gold. It's very interesting. I've been talking about gold for a long time, and I expect gold to go on the long continuation run. What happened is that we know that there is a strong level at $2,000 mark. This looks like a flag, so what that means is this will consolidate a little bit and looks like price will go higher. Where's the signal? The signal was when I got a double bottom on gold. Once you see a double bottom, that more or less signifies the end of the down run. What was interesting this week was that if you look at my channel, which I've not changed for a while, price very likely broke above the channel, came back retest, and it looks like it's gonna go higher again. So let's see if it does go. Then I'll be looking at some of these levels. So I'm looking at 1855, I suppose. 1855 is one, maybe even 1860 potentially. So this will be my next target. Once goes, price may or may not react, but then in a mid or longer term, I'm looking at the $2,000 mark. Okay, so that's my target. With that, thank you very much, and do check out my next video, which I will post shortly. And happy trading, everyone. Thank you.